Hey everyone, this is Alex for PolymomoTea, and today I have a video showing you how to make this cute little fairy bunny out of polymer clay and resin. So first, to make the bunny, we're going to make the head, so we'll take a ball of white clay and flatten it out into an oval shape. And then for the ears, you want to take some white clay and roll into a cylinder and cut off the ends. And then you want to take the ears and place them on top of the head. For the body, you want to take a ball of white clay and roll it kind of more on one side so it's a little bit tapered, and then you want to cut off the fat end and attach that to the head. Then for the limbs, you want to take the same clay, kind of roll it on one side again and cut it at a slant. And attach that onto the bottom for the legs. And then you want to make slightly longer ones and attach that onto the top and bend them for the arms. Next, I'm giving my bunny some dot eyes. And I'm giving it a Y nose. Next, I'm taking a paintbrush and some chalk pastels, and I'm just coloring in the nose a slight pink color. And then in the back side, I'm giving it a little bunny tail. Now for the most annoying part, we're gonna make the wings. So I'm taking some black clay and I'm rolling it flat, and I'm gonna cut it into strips. And with those strips, you wanna make a series of loops and just attach the loops together and then outline them with another giant black strip. And this is how I made the wings, and it's very tedious work. Next, I'm adding little dots of clay kind of in the middle of the wings to attach my bunny to. And then once finished, we want to bake according to instructions, and here I have my little bunny along with my butterfly wings. So to color in the butterfly wings, I'm taking a piece of tape and I'm attaching my butterfly wings onto them. Next, I'm taking some UV resin and I'm going to use that to paint in a thin layer of resin into the wings, and it's because since the segments I cut aren't even, it's not fully flat onto the tape, so it just prevents leakage. Then next, I'm going to take some UV resin and add in some different pigments. So I decided to go for a cool theme. So lots of blue, greens, purples, and some pink. And then a pigment explosion of pink. Next, I'm just going to mix all the colors together. And for the blue and pink, I took some extra pigment off and wiped it on tissue. And then I started mixing some of my pigments together just for extra colors, because there's a lot of segments to that butterfly. So next, all I did was fill in the wing segments with my colored resin and put that under the UV lamp to cure. And then I domed it on the top side and let that cure under the UV lamp. And then I took it off from the tape. And then I also domed the other side as well. And here are the butterfly wings. Kind of wish the colors came out more vibrant, but I really do like how it looks. And what I did was I put a little bit of super glue on the little dots of clay that we added on the wings, and I attached it to the bunny. And here is the finished product. If you feel like the glue is a little bit too weak, then you could always reinforce with resin. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you all for watching.